Next topic is angle between line and plane. So find the angle between line. The equation of line is given in the symmetrical form: x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 divided by F, and z minus z1 divided by L. And the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. So here the angle between uh, line and plane. The previous two topics are what? Angle between two lines and angle between two planes. So the formulae for angle between two lines are what? In terms of direction, cosines cos theta is equal to L dash plus M dash plus N dash, or L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. And in terms of direction ratios, the angle between two lines is theta. Then cos theta is what? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root A2 A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square in another root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. These are the formulae to obtain the angle between two lines. Then next topic is angle between two planes, and the angle between two planes is nothing but the angle between their normals. Means angle between two planes is nothing but the angle between two lines. And so the formulae for angle between two lines are again the same formulae, that cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2, and cos theta in terms of direction ratios is what? A1 A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root of that. But here if we observe the last answer, then what is it? Sin theta is AL plus BM plus CL divided by root A square plus B square plus C square root L square plus M square plus N square. Okay, but the that is the formula are the same. Formula is same, that A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 like that, root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square in another root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So only the change in this LHS, there is sin theta, not cos theta. So use this formula to obtain the angle between line and plane. So if you have to find the angle between line and plane, then use this formula, that sin theta and the RHS is same. So we first see the proof of this theorem or example. So let AB be given line and B is the point in the given plane. So this is the AB is the given line, that is this line, x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by L, z minus z1 by L. So obviously x1 y1 z1 is point on the line, and L M N are what? Direction ratios or direction cosines. Either use the notation L M N or A, B and C. So these L M N are direction, not necessarily direction cosines. They may be direction ratios. If these L M N are the direction cosines, then L square plus M square plus N square become 1. So we either choose the notation LMM or A, B, C. Okay. So this is the, suppose this line AB represent this line given in the problem, and that is B is the point of intersection of the plane and line. Okay. Let AM be the normal to the plane. AM, that is from A, draw a perpendicular to plane, and EM is supposed put up perpendicular. EM is put up perpendicular. Then join BM, and then this angle, suppose this angle A, B, and M is theta. Suppose we assume that this is theta, and therefore the angle this theta becomes an angle between line and plane. Now this angle theta becomes an angle between line and plane, and now we have to find the value of theta. That is the angle between line and plane. So therefore angle BAM is what? This angle is 90 degrees. So this is theta, means this angle BAM is 90 minus theta, because addition of all these three angles is 180. Then the direction cosines of line ABR, direction cosines of line ABR, direction cosines or direction ratios, right? Direction cosines are in bracket direction ratios of line AB. So this is the equation of line AB, that x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by L, z minus z1 by L, and therefore the direction cosines or direction ratios of line AB are what? L, M, L. Now the direction cosines of normal AMR. Now the direction cosines or direction ratios, say direction cosines or in bracket direction ratios of line AM are what? This AM is perpendicular to plane, means AM is normal to the plane, and the equation of plane of this plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. And the coefficients of ABC are what? In the equation of plane, the coefficient of ABC the are the direction ratios or direction cosines of normal to that plane. And so the direction cosines or direction ratios of normal AM are ABC, small ABC or small ABC, because the equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. And then the direction, then cos 90 minus theta, that is this angle is 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta is what? By using the formula that angle between two lines. So 90 minus theta is the angle between these two lines. So cos 90 minus theta is what? AL plus BM plus CN divided by root A square plus B square plus C square root L square plus M square plus N square. So if we take here ABC, then take another notation at this place. So suppose this is the equation of plane, means if you have to take the another notation in the place of LMN, then take A1 B1 C1. Okay, and then what we have? Cos 90 minus theta, because the cos of angle between them, the two lines, is what? The formula in terms of direction ratios or direction cosines is what? In terms of direction ratios, AL plus BM plus CN divided by root A square plus B square plus C square root L square plus M square plus N square. So this is the formula in terms of direction ratios. So angle between two lines. So previous topic is what? The angle between two lines. So this is the formula, angle between two lines. And the same formula for angle between plane. So in the first topic, what is the angle between two lines? Formula for angle between two lines, that cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Angle between two lines in terms of direction cosines and in terms of direction ratio. This is the in terms of direction cosines, and in terms of direction ratios, this is the formula. Cos theta is what? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root of this. What are A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2 are the direction ratios of that two lines. Okay, so and theta, what is theta? Theta is the angle between two lines. So by using this formula in this proof, the angle between two lines, angle between the two lines, that is the line AB and the line perpendicular to the plane. So these direction ratios of this line AB are what? Are LMN, and the direction ratios of the line AM are what? ABC, small ABC, and the 90 minus theta is the angle between them. So cos 90 minus theta is AL plus BM plus CN divided by root A square plus B square plus C square root L square plus M square plus N square. That is this is the formula to find the angle between two lines. Now this AB and AM are two lines, and 90 minus theta is the angle between them. So cos 90 minus theta is this. Okay, and then after cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin theta is AL plus BM plus CN divided by root A square plus B square plus C square root L square plus M square plus N square. So this is the formula to obtain the angle between line and plane. So line is parallel to the plane if theta is obviously 0. That is, when the line is parallel to the plane, if the angle theta is 0, that is sin theta is 0. Okay, and that is if sin theta is 0, if theta is 0, then sin theta is 0, and then we have from this formula AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0. That is again the same condition. The condition of parallel lines is now here the condition for perpendicular, and the condition for perpendicular to between two perpendicular D, the condition is here the condition to show the line is parallel to the plane. So when the line is parallel to the plane, if this happens, AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0. What are L, M, and N? The direction ratios of the line. And what are ABC? ABC are the coefficients of x, y, z in the equation of plane. The coefficient of x, y, z in the equation of plane. Or we say that ABC are what? ABC are the direction ratios of normal to the plane. So the condition of perpendicularity in the topic line is condition for parallel in this topic, that is line is parallel to the plane if this happens. So question is show that this line is lies wholly in the plane. So what happens if the line is parallel to the plane, then either the line on any, that is the line and there is no contact between plane and line, or the line wholly lies in the plane. There are two possibilities. So show that this line is only lies in the plane 2x minus y plus 3z minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, we have to show the line only contained in that plane. We have to show the line is parallel to the plane. So another form of the question is show that the plane contains the line. This. So the same question, or the line wholly lies in the plane. So now we have to show the line contains in the plane. First we will show that the line is parallel to the plane. So how we can show the line is parallel to the plane? This is the condition to show the line is parallel to the plane. So ABC are what? ABC are 2 minus 1, 3 are ABC, and the LMN are the 3 minus 6 and minus 4 are LMN. And then consider AL plus BM plus CM, that is 2 into 3 minus 1 into 6 minus then 3 into minus 4, and then it becomes 0, and therefore the given line is parallel to the plane. Now if we find point on the line, then what is the point on the line? 4 minus 7 minus 3 is the point on the line. So from the equation of the line, the equation of line is given in the symmetrical form. So this x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x1, y1, z1 is point on the line. So 4 minus 7 minus 3 is point on the line. And if we consider LHS of the equation of plane, 2x minus y plus 3z minus 6, and if we substitute x, y, z as 2, 4 minus 7 minus 3, then we have the answer 0. That is, the line wholly lies in the plane, because this point of the line satisfies the equation of plane, means the line, and the line is parallel to the plane. As the line is parallel to the plane and this point on the line satisfies the equation of plane, therefore line wholly lies in the plane. Same question for assignment, show that the line lies in the plane. So solve by same method, the answer is also given. So the next question is find the angle between line and plane. So what is the formula? Here the 2, 1 and minus 2 are LMN, and 1, 2 and 1 are the values of ABC, and then use this formula that sin theta is equal to AL plus BM plus CN divided by root A square plus B square plus C square, L square plus M square plus N square. Just substitute the values and find theta. This is problem for 1. So we'll see the remaining problem in the next lecture.